Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off time-sensitive notifications from apps and allow notifications sleep focus on iPhone X. But first, can you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start! Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and click the Focus. Then in the Focus, choose the Sleep. And in the Sleep Focus, click Apps under the Notifications. Then in the Notifications, under the Allow Notifications From, find the Time-Sensitive Notifications, and as you will see, there's a switch button on the right side of it, and all you have to do is just turn it on to enable. When the time-sensitive notifications is enabled, it is allow apps not in your allowed list to send notifications marked as time-sensitive immediately. And if you want to disable, just click again the switch button. And that's it. We have successfully turned on and off time-sensitive notifications from apps in Sleep Focus on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!